Pretty excited about this. Got this at Target. Couldn't help myself. It's not much. It's like four booster packs. But as soon as I saw this set come out, Scarlet Violet 151, I got super excited because it's just the original stuff from the first season of Pokemon. And 4 beautiful packs inside of the box. I love Pokemon, for those of you who didn't know. Here goes. Okie dokie. Yeah. Alright, my daughter is joining this video. Say hi, Lily. Say hi. Hey. Good. Careful. Nice. Good stuff. Apparently you can actually use these large size cards in tournament play, but I don't do tournament play. You like it? Like it. We have 4 booster packs here. I love the design on these. The little original Pokemon in there. Now, Pudgy. I like these sets, but also like don't like how basically it just devalues these cards. Like if you couldn't buy this in a box, then this card would actually be probably kind of sick to pull. Remember in the good old days when like regular holos were like actually rare. Yep, that's yours. Pokemon cards. You like cards? First pack, here we go. Okay, this is our first holo. It's Pidgeot. Just a reverse holo. Not rare. Another one. And an Electro. That's what I got in the first pack. Bummer, dude. Okay, pack number 2. Hero. Another real. Oh, this is a reverse holo of Pidgeotto. And a Vaporeon. Dude, I remember these were like so crazy if you pulled. Alright, pack number 3. Oh, we got a shiny energy. That's sick. Nice. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's a good pull, I think. I don't know what it's worth, but... Alright, last pack. Wish me luck. Oh, this is so sick. Full art War Turtle. That's dope. That's kind of worth the whole box right there. Nice. Don't know what it's worth, but full art is always awesome. Especially when it's War Turtle. That's what we got for our money's worth. So, Pokedata.io says this one's worth $12.47 or something. These are my pulls. All these holos obviously are probably worth like 25 cents a piece or less. But these ones. Super stoked to finally do an unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it.